Welcome to day 4 of the mindful experiment. How are you doing? Now, I promise this is all going to come together by the time we're done with this 30-day experiment. I'm giving you little tidbits each day. We're practicing in little bit-size breaks. Now, today is all about the mindful pause. Yesterday, you identified where you hold the stress. You'll continue to practice that day after day. Okay, I know my trigger. I know where I'm holding it. The next step is the pause. But here's the truth of the matter. There's going to be probably hundreds, if not thousands more times that you still react to a trigger. So my suggestion is after you react, you pause for a moment, reflect on that reaction. I promise you, one day with practice, I promise, that pause will come before the reaction. So the reaction turns into mindful action. But for now, I'm going to give this to you in 2 bit-sized pieces. You're triggered, you react, you pause and reflect. Okay? Eventually, with practice, I'm repeating myself because it's important, that pause will come before the reaction. So, what are some ways to pause? Let's practice some mindful pauses. One way is to take a breath, breathe in, breathe out. I like that big sigh out, letting that stress, that trigger just escape out with my exhale. Another way to pause is just to make a fist, hold it in, and then let it go. Another way to pause is to do a little tapping. Okay. Another way to pause is to do a little shaking. All right. Another way to pause is actually just think, pause. Another way to pause is talk yourself through it. You've got this. I'm taking a pause. I want to do something different. So talk yourself through the pause. The point is to recap. You're triggered. You react. Human nature, normal. Be kind to yourself. That's part of mindfulness. And then pause with any of those solutions. Write your own solutions. That's what today is about. What's your personal pause? So after you react, pause, reflect, do something. Breath, a little tapping, a little shaking. Okay. Write down what your pause is. And one day with practice, I guarantee you that pause will come before the reaction. All right. You got this. Your job for today is to write what pause means for you. Is it this? Is it a breath? Something else that I mentioned? Or something else that you're going to share with us? Write your pause in the comments, how you pause. All right. Thanks for playing. I'll see you tomorrow.